My name is Grace Dam. I'm a painter. Although it's not a full-time job, it's more or less a passion. So I do it because I love it. I feel like if I don't paint, there's something missing. When I was a kid, I remember I just wanted to paint. I just wanted to draw. I had no concept of the consequences of it. How do you even make a living being an artist? That sort of thing didn't occur to me. It's always, in the back of your head, you think, oh, I wish I could paint right now. That's all. I paint all 4 different genres: landscape, still life, obviously portrait, figurative. So it's my point of view of that person. I show them, and sometimes it's something they might not even realize they have. That's how it becomes, or that's how they look. It's magical to me that I'm able to convey certain emotion for that person. When I was in school, I wanted to do paintings like a film. It has stages, it has different movement, so the person could turn the head and the film could be a bit blurry. I'm still doing an ongoing series about humanity, about relationship. The theme of the show it's called Now What. Both of them look together, but in the same direction, but not at each other. Certain paintings in that series are about intimate, very private situation, nudes and whatever. It's about the connection between people, not just a couple like, a man and a woman and love affair. No, it's about everybody. I find that relationship is the most challenging thing in life. I don't paint myself too much, but when you need a model, I couldn't afford to hire a professional model. So I pose for myself. It is an intimate composition, but the 2 people are not there together. I position them that way. It took me a long time, to be honest with you. The painting part is the easiest part. It's the writing of that painting, how you want to convey a message from that painting is the hardest. Fundamentally, you have to look like you. You can't look like somebody else. It has to convey something about that person. It has to give some sort of meaning, but it must be you. You have to somehow combine the 2, put your personal touch in there as well. So for example, we can pick this one, like it's a very formal portrait. There's certain sparkle in his eyes, a very slight smile, but it's absolutely him. But him in my view. There's a feeling of magic when you set up a blank canvas and in a few days, there's a person staring out at you. I feel that I paint it because I paint it. I don't paint it because they asked me to paint them that way or this way. Whatever you can come up with, that's your own personal touch. And it means something. It might not be obvious when you look at it the first time, but over time you might see things differently. You can photograph the CN Tower, and it's been done millions of times, but your view is different. Think ahead, save a lot, do a good job. Don't do a sloppy job and hope for the best. No, you have to be your best. Give it your best, and at least you've tried.